If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where you are solving previous year JEE main questions on vector algebra. So today we will be solving 4 questions, question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, in question number 1, the vector C is a vector and A is vector, this is given as this way. B is also a vector which is given, C is unknown, are such that ACB forms a right-handed system. Okay, so for right-handed system I told you it should be something of this fashion. Suppose if I do A to B then C, you remember scalar triple product STP was positive if it is a right-hand scalar system. Then I told you in this way, suppose this was A, this was B, so if I take A cross B, then C should be somewhere in the line with A cross B, then it will be a right-handed system. A to B, then this should be C, so that has to be a right-handed system. So now they are asking ACB to be right-handed system. So if I think about box ACB now, that is question number 1, box ACB. So because I know box ACB, you can write it A dot C cross B, but you don't know C, so I have intention to bring A and B together. So if I say ACB suppose, so it is nothing but BAC, because if I write it in this I am moving clockwise, so if I write BAC also, then I am moving clockwise. So this can be written as BAC, which is nothing but B cross A dot C. That means now you have an idea, your B cross A, C should be aligned with B cross A. Suppose this is B, now suppose this is B, this is A, so it is B cross A, B to A, then this should be C. So your C should be in a line with B cross A. That means your C should be equal to B cross A. So let us calculate B cross A. So if it is a B cross A IJK, then what is B? B is given 0, 1, 0, and it is X, Y, Z. So that is I, then Z minus J, because it is Z minus 0, so I am not writing it, minus J. So these and these are blocked, so 0 minus 0, then plus K into 0 minus X. So it should be Z I cap plus, minus K X cap. So that is your option A. Now if you come to question number 2, U, V, W are 3 non-coplanar vectors. Non-coplanar, that means box U, V, W is not equal to 0, and this dot D is equal to, they are asking. So what they are asking, first let me calculate this, because this dot D cross this means first cross comes, because if I say A dot C cross B, then what you will do, you will do this cross first, then you will dot it. So let me cross it first, then we will dot it with this one. We will see what it is come. So what it is, cross U minus B cross B minus W. So 3 non-coplanar, all are non-coplanar, that you have to be careful. So this order has to be maintained because it is cross. So it is U cross B minus U cross W minus B cross B. What is B cross B? B cross B is 0. Okay, let me write it first. So this is 0 because similar I cross I is 0. So now it will look like U cross B plus B cross W plus, if I change it, W cross U, I have changed it. So now it will look like this. So now what they have asked you to find, this should be dotted with all this, U cross B plus B cross W plus W cross U. So if you do one by one, first if you do this one, it will be box UUV. So should I need to write, because this will be 0, repeating will be 0. So next one will be UVW, so that will come box UVW. Next will be box UWU, again that will be 0, so I am not writing it. Box, then with this one V dot this, so VUV, again that is 0, because in box if it is 2 item is repeating, then it is 0. VVW, that is also 0, so this will come VWU. Next UWV, that will also come, WUV. WVW, it will be 0, WWU, that will be 0. So ultimately you are left with this. So you see UVW. So UVW, this is VWU, so same order. So this is also same. So 2 UVW, this is same, because order is maintained. Now next UVWUV, that is also same. in the clockwise direction. So this is also UVW. So ultimately it will be UVW. So that is U dot V cross W, which is your option B. Now if you come to question number 3, let ABC are the three non-zero vectors such that A cross B cross C is given this. This is vector. All these vector symbols are not given, but you take care of this vector. There is a little bar above it. Theta is the acute angle between B and C, then sin theta is equal to, okay. So we know this VTP, this is vector triple product A cross B dot C. Now how to simplify this one, I told you. First you take care of the farthest relative, that is A dot C, B minus it is A B dot C, then A, which is equal to 1/3 magnitude of B magnitude of C, then A vector. So obviously this will be 0 because the vector should be same, that means this portion is 0. Okay, so from here you can already say A and C are perpendicular, but that is not asked. They ask you between B and C. So if you see this one, so if you equate the coefficient of A vector, so this will look like, second BC will go, so your cos theta is equal to minus 1/3, so your sin theta will be equal to, so sin theta is equal to 1 minus 1/3 whole square, so it will be 9 minus 2 8, so it is 2 root 2/3, that is your option D. Next if you come to 4, ABC is a triangle right angled at A. The resultant force of acting along AB and AC with the magnitudes these are respectively is the force along AD, where D is the foot of the perpendicular from A to C. The magnitude of the resultant is. So you let us draw this one. Suppose this is A, this is B. So it is perpendicular at A. So this is A and AB, AC. So let me take this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So for vector it will be easy. So acting along AB it is 1 by AB magnitude, and along AC it is 1 by AC magnitude. Okay, two forces are there. So one force is in this direction, so its magnitude is 1 by AB I cap, and its magnitude is 1 by AC J cap, something in this direction. The resultant is along the force AD, where D is the foot of perpendicular from A to BC. So this is D. So the resultant is in this direction. Okay, the magnitude of the resultant. Okay, so you know what is the resultant vector, this plus this. Okay, so magnitude of resultant will be, now you can already say what it would be, under root 1 by AB whole square plus 1 by AC whole square. So this is your, what they say, magnitude of this one. So it will be AB square plus AC square, then AB square into AC square. What is AB square plus AC square? AB square plus AC square is BC square by AB square into AC square, which is nothing but BC by AB into AC. So you don't have any other options with this one. Now that means you have to bring somehow AB and AC. It is not forming with AB and AC. You can see there is nothing is short of this one. So obviously it should go to somewhere in this direction, AD. So if I want to bring this AD here, okay, you can go it in this way also. AD, what is AD? AD is equal to AB sin theta. So AB sin theta. Now what is AB? BC cos theta. BC cos theta. Now in place of sin theta cos theta, if you put from the bigger triangle, cos theta is equal to AB by BC and sin theta equal to AC by AC. So BC gone. So it will be AB AC by BC. Now you can see it is 1 by, just opposite to AD. So it is 1 by AD. So therefore it is option C. We have already got a hint when it was not coming of these questions, then it should go in this direction. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.